Next job, gutter cleaning. That's pretty much the rest of the day for the most part. A few little gutter cleaning jobs. Can't go wrong with that now. Grab my gloves. Gutter cleaning jobs are pretty good. If you don't implement them, I recommend doing it because it's something you can charge a little more for, because people, they really don't want to get on their house or on the roof, and it's kind of a liability thing, so you're kind of allowed to charge a little more. Look at that. That is a professional looking rig right there. This is my first day with the whole setup. Pretty cool. I think I quoted her on the back too. I don't know why I wouldn't have. I'm all. That's it. I've never seen chicken wire on top of carport like that. Holy crap, these are packed in. Wow. I ain't never seen it that bad. Get a rake up here and get some of the buildup. Caked on there. Everybody always hates when people get on roofs with blowers. People on Facebook and stuff, they'll always comment on my videos. Oh, you're too lazy to get up there with your hands in a bucket. No, I just believe in efficiency, and that right there, my friend, is more efficient than anybody with some gloves and a bucket would ever get done. I'm big on the work smarter, not harder concept. I've never seen her in my life. What do you know? This shit is dug in, man. That's wild. I understand the concept of this chicken wire stuff, but I don't think it's very effective. It's never really the leaves that cause a problem. It's all the shingle gravel. They always say the worst things for roofs is acorns and pine straw. And I'm gonna have to say that acorn has got this one beat. Can't really see what I'm working with now. Drainage problem isn't up here. It's under all that chicken wire mesh. I wonder where the drainage is going. I bet the water's coming back in. I have no idea. That's just an assumption. A lot of homeowners have no idea this stuff's even up here. Or do they really care? It's one of those out of sight, out of mind things. Good. Yeah, that chicken mesh ruined that whole carport. Here next week for the spring cleanup. Before anybody hates, said, oh, he just took all them leaves out of the gutters and threw them in their yard. No, it all gets cleaned up. I ain't that bad of a person, and these clients know that. They love me. I'm their favorite yard guy. There ain't no doubt about it. It's one thing I gotta get used to about this 250. Is having to use the key again and having to put it in the slot, not push start it. Oh, first world problems, right? No. Doing another cleanup. I actually haven't had eyes on this project, so hopefully I didn't underquote myself, but in Miller fashion I probably did. Here in about a week or two, I'm going to get me a 61-inch Bobcat stand-on just like this, just a 61-inch model, so we can run through some of these bigger properties a lot quicker. So that'll be good. I should be selling, I have a bunch of mowers for sale right now, and I believe I have a fella coming this evening to buy my Gravely 61 sit-down zero-turn, so that'll be good. That'll be nice. So yeah, I love this house. This would be such a cool house to do some Christmas lights on. I know they have some provider do it for them, but I don't feel like they do it justice for as big as this house is and as wide as it is. I think you could really make this sucker shine, especially being kind of in the dense woods a little bit. Look nice. Oh, a little R6 action. I didn't have that year model, but I had one real close to it. I think I had a 06, no, 04, 05. He mentioned something about, here we go, it's gonna be fun gates. Something about the backyard. Okay, I see it now. I see it. Get all these leaves out of this bed, mulched up in the yard. Y'all see my breath? It is cold out here. Knuckles are popping. Everything popping.